Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my monthly hits and misses, and I don't have very many things, but I do have some new products as well as some new products to me that I have been really loving this month. I have one miss to show you, so if you guys want to stick around to find out, then keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I have here, it's almost embarrassing that I am just now discovering this product when it's got so much hype on YouTube, but this just blew my mind. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I have been obsessed with this. I keep it in my diaper bag now because I know I'm going to forget mascara before I walk out the door. So I always keep this in my bag. It is so easy to apply. I don't have to take forever to make sure that my lashes are separated and have volume. Just one light coat of this does the job. It lifts up the lashes, gives them volume and length. It doesn't flake on me or clump or do anything weird, and it just allows me to wear my lashes natural or dramatic whenever I just don't want to bother with false lashes. You guys, I think I found the most perfect bronzer for fair skin. I am so excited for this. It's hard, let me tell you. There's a lot of orange bronzers on the market. It's either orange or muddy, and it's just really hard to get a bronze look. I'm not talking about contour, just bronze. Give me a little color to my face. I need to look alive. So this is the number 7 bronzer in Golden Sand. And I know it looks very light, and these lights aren't helping either. But this is the most natural bronzer I have ever used. It is so soft and buttery. It has a beautiful satin finish, and it's the type of bronzer that you build up on your skin, which I find is more flattering and easier to work with for fair skin. It is a warm bronzer, but it's not orange. That's one of the things that I find so complicated to find, especially in a drugstore bronzer. This is just perfect. I highly recommend it. This is my very favorite of everything I have here today. Next up, I'm just gonna keep going with complexion. I have the City Color Matte Blush, and this is in Blossom. It is a massive blush, and it's a very flattering shade. It's like a rosy peachy color. It reminds me a lot of MAC Melba. Let me pull up my Melba. Hold on. All right, I have Melba. Mine has this coat on. You know, when you use your brush, it kind of creates this layer. I have to scratch it off, but I think they're really similar. So this is what I've been wearing every time I just want a little flush to my cheeks. It blends in really nicely, and it's very pigmented, but not in a way that you know, pick it up on your brush and it's like, whoa. Just the right amount of pigment, and it's really affordable. City Color has really good prices. I don't know if you can find them in drugstore. I might have to look that up. I have another complexion product, and this is by Clinique. It's the Perfectly Real, I can't talk, Compact Makeup. I'm in the shade 116. This is the type of powder foundation that is not full coverage, but it has enough coverage that you can use it on those no makeup days when you just want to even everything out. It has a beautiful matte finish, but it's not drying, so it's perfect for blotting. Like, it takes away the shine. It also adds coverage really beautifully on top of other foundations. It's great for setting your foundation. I've been using this a lot. Moving on to eyeshadow, this is actually what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. It's the Wet n Wild Color Icon Rose in the Air. I'm sure you guys have all seen this in stores and on YouTube. Everyone loves this. You get 2 shimmers in this palette. Everything else is matte. They blend so beautifully. I love the color combination. It's got some warm shades, also some cranberries in there. You have these 2 beautiful transition shades. One is more cool tone, one is warm. I feel like if this palette had a black, it would be perfect. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you may have seen me post multiple pictures wearing the same lip combo, and this has just been my favorite for every day or wearing smoky looks or wearing any look. This is just such a perfect nude lip combo. I have the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in Spice, along with the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Moonchild. So beautiful. I love the Moonchild lip gloss, but sometimes I feel like it washes me out a little depending on what I'm wearing on the rest of my face. This Milani lip liner just does the trick, adding that color. It's kind of like a peachy lip liner. It is like a darker shade, but layered with Moonchild on top just lightens the whole thing, and it just makes it the perfect nude lip. Lastly, for favorites, I have a brush, and this is not a new to the market brush. I actually wash my brushes, and I completely forgot I had this brush. It is awesome. This is the Luxie 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush. This is the perfect brush for highlight. I don't know, I feel like you get a lot of freedom. It just gives you a lot of movement to where you place the highlight. It has a really soft feel and it just blends that highlight to perfection. Lastly, I have my mist, and oddly enough, I'm wearing it on my face right now. It's not looking very flattering. This is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I have the shade 120. I wanted to love this so bad. I really did. When I first applied it, I was like, oh my gosh, this coverage. But I have to say, this is just not the best product for people with textured skin. If you were to stare at me from a distance, it does give you that flawless look. But if you get close up, it just sits in every pore. It doesn't look right around the nose. If you have textured skin, bumps, dryness, or visible pores, this just does not sit in a flattering way on your skin. So, like I said, I wanted to love this. I gave it a shot. I've been wearing this since December. I can't make it work. I may end up mixing this with the Primed and Poreless, which is my favorite foundation from Maybelline, and maybe it'll work that way. Who knows? That's it for my monthly hits and misses. Thank you guys so much. If you stuck around till the end, I truly appreciate it. Please subscribe before you leave if you want to see more videos. Hit that little bell if you want to be notified when I post. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.